Unsolved is a platform where influencers launch micro courses, something like Patreon, but you're paying to access short form learning content by an influencer. What's a micro course, you may ask? It's simply a short 10-minute tutorial like course made up of reel like videos, 1 to 2 minute long. You swipe up to catch the next session in the course. It's mobile first and focuses on actionable content. Why micro courses? From the student perspective, how we consume content has changed. Short videos, low attention spans, mobile first. We want answers fast. We want step by step guidance. From a creator standpoint, micro courses are infinitely easier to create compared to full fledged courses. Since it is tutorial style, it is often something that you already know or do. Why influencers? Who we want to learn from is changing. We want to learn from influencer teachers. The micro course format needs someone who is comfortable creating short form content. Existing credibility and a follower base, of course, helps. Let's take a quick look at the Unsolved product demo. He's a mobile product photographer. In his profile, he has a link to his Unsolved Network masterclasses. You click on that and you will see all the courses that he generates. Today he has just one and he has priced this separately, right? So you're actually buying just this course. But we intend to launch that feature which allows you to, record and, just sign up from a membership level for all micro courses rather than just one. So you see a video and then you decide to enroll. When you enroll, it kind of opens out a page that you can enroll in. The second you go through the enrollment process, it'll ask you to download the app. The app looks something like this. There is a feed where you can have multiple just posts, and it could be text, image, video, etc. And then you have the courses that you have enrolled in. So for example, you can actually go to this course, then kind of enroll and then go video by video and then complete the course, right? So that's how this works. We are still to launch the Patreon like subscription feature, but that's exactly what we're working. How are we different from other course platforms? Firstly, we are building a Patreon for influencer teachers, where creators create short, snackable learning content for their members. The big question though, will students pay recurring? Isn't that how we normally learn? I mean, school, college, tuition, IIT coaching, music classes, chess classes, coding classes, all our life we have paid a recurring fee to learn something. It's possible to take a course on time management from Ankur Warikoo and complete it in an hour. But if you want to become an influencer teacher like Ankur Warikoo, it will take a year or more of recurring effort week on week for you to actually achieve that. I am willing to pay month on month to access content that helps me become that influence teacher, right? Similarly, if you are interested in mastering chess, if you are interested in becoming a coder, becoming a growth hacker, it is not a course that will solve it for you as much as week on week learning, new content, new hacks, etc. And I am willing to be a part of a community, be a part of a micro course strategy hosted by an influencer teacher that I want to follow.